what is generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents. Now, we know what generative AI is, right? Generative AI is all the generative models were able to generate, like those the large language models and the multimodal LLMs, large language models, which are able to generate text, code, and images, videos, and etc. from prompts. So, what is an example of generating text? Um, I can ask him any question, like ask that AI any question, uh, and I can ask it to generate code, and I can ask it to generate images and videos. Text is about any decision making or any kind of response to any amount of text is what they have been trained on. So they have been trained on huge corpus of data, and they have been trained so that they act as a human would. So they give you a human-like response based on your question. So all that is known to everybody. That is generative AI, and that is what has taken off in the last 5 years and had led to the huge explosion in the AI market. Now, what is agentic AI? Agentic AI and AI agents took off after the generative AI revolution. So they use these LLMs, these generative AI models, plus tools, memory, and planning. Right. The planning aspects come from the LLM. The tool is something you connect to, and the decision aspect also comes from the generative AI. And this way, they are able to take actions autonomously. So generative AI is a capability, while agentic AI is a behavior pattern, which is goal-driven tool using an interactive over time. That is agentic AI. And what are AI agents? AI agents are practical building blocks. For example, customer service agent, workflow co-pilots, autonomous testing bots, etc. So these are AI agents which constitute the agentic AI. Uh, so they can observe an environment, plan, and act via tools and APIs to achieve your user or system goals.